Hello, I'm BonBonB and welcome to my traffic management tutorial. Now, if you've watched my Terraform mod tutorial, you'll know I like to put a lot of effort into making my tutorials clear, concise and as short as possible. This is impossible with a traffic management tutorial. I've recorded and I've got about 3 hours worth of footage, which would reduce down to about 2, which is too long. So I thought, what's the one thing that I think you should do with your city to reduce the traffic volume, and I will show you that today. First of all, let's have a look at these streets here, flowing very smoothly. Now, let's come and have a look over here at the bottom of this hill, and we're coming down the freeway. As you can see, got a lot of traffic coming onto the freeway. Let's follow this traffic, see where it's coming from. And as you can see, it's coming from out of the city. So the one thing we can do to reduce traffic is to prevent the traffic coming from out of the city reaching the city. Now I already do this over here with the rail station, where any incoming trains here coming to the cargo depot unload to the cargo depot on this side, and then this goes to my internal freight line. Over here we have the passenger terminal. Once again, any trains coming here for passenger, coming here, the passengers transfer across to here, and that means that any external trains stop here. And we're going to do exactly the same here with incoming traffic, moving all the incoming traffic onto public transport. So welcome back, and as you can see, I've now completed the terminus, the road terminus coming into the city. All the traffic now entering the city has two options. If it's commercial, it can unload here, and this is going to be linking directly to our main freight stations, or they can go residential, this which will take you down to the main residential stations. Also I've got here is metro, always okay to have a metro, and that's handy for the workers coming into work that need to work at the medical centre or at the refuse plant. Obviously, because this is an isolated station, it does need its own refuse plant. It'll need water and electricity obviously as well, fire and police and crematorium. It's standalone, and this will cope very well on its own, and it will prevent all of the traffic that's coming in from out of the city. Here we go. Let's have a quick look at this. All of this traffic now is going to be taken off of our roads, and it'll ease the traffic burden on the city quite substantially. So the main point of order is, obviously, once you've done this, is to make sure that you have a good transport network, that you've got metro stations and bus terminuses matching up with the metro stations, and obviously a very good central railway network as well. Keep the freight off of the residential lines and the residential off of the freight lines. Keep them separate and all will be good. I hope this traffic management tutorial was of some help to you. If it was, stick a like down below and obviously subscribe to the channel. And when I come up with something new, I'll make sure you're the first to know about it. I've been Bon Bon Bee, and you have been very welcome.